Welcome all of you in online teaching learning process. We have started paper number 4 analytical chemistry, in which we have seen unit number first, introduction to analytical chemistry, and in our last lecture we have seen about the indeterminate errors and about the erratic curve, and in this lecture we will see methods of expressing accuracy, that is absolute and relative error. So before that we will see what is accuracy, precision and significant figures in measurements. In this lecture we will see about the accuracy and precision. So what is difference between accuracy and precision? Accuracy is how close to the true value a given measurement is. So this is the accurate results, that is true value near to the true value. So accuracy is how close to the true value a given measurement is, and precision means precision is how well a number of independent measurements agree with one another. That is, these readings are precise one but not accurate. When they are accurate, when they are come at this point circle, and this is a accurate one. They are neither accurate neither precise one. So difference between accuracy versus precision. Accuracy, how close a measurement is to the accepted value, and precision means how close a series of measurements are to each other. So overall, accurate means correct and precise means consistent. So in case of precision and accuracy, accuracy refers to the agreement of a particular value with the true value, and precision refers to the degree of agreement among several measurements made in the same manner. So this first diagram shows neither accurate nor precise one. Then second diagram is a precise one but not accurate, and third one, this is a precise and accurate also. So in these three diagrams, that is, first is neither accurate nor precise one, because they are not near to true value and their readings are, that is, they are far away from each other. But in second one, that is, the points occurs very close to each other but they are precise but not accurate. And in third diagram, that is, the results are very accurate one, so they are called as precise and also accurate one. So accuracy without precision is obviously impossible, but precision does not imply accuracy. That is, for accuracy, that is, when the results are very accurate, then they are always precise one. But when the results are precise one but they are not accurate one. So accuracy depends on precision, but precision does not depends on accuracy. So this is the main difference between precision and accuracy. So here, accuracy versus precision. So in this diagram, what is the main difference? So here, accuracy goes on increases from first diagram to second diagram, first diagram to second diagram. So B and D diagrams are accurate one, and here precision goes on increases from A to C and B to D. So first diagram to second, this one, precision goes on increases. So these results are precise one. So in case of accuracy and precision, in this picture all of the dots are on the bull's eye, which illustrate good precision and accuracy, this diagram. And in second diagram, in this picture all of the dots land near each other but away from the bull's eye, which illustrate good precision but poor accuracy. That is, they are precise but not accurate, and they are precise and accurate one. Then we will see what is the absolute error. The absolute error is the difference between the measured value of an observable and its true value. Measured value and true value difference is called as absolute error. So E, absolute error, is equal to measured value of an observable and true value. And what is the relative error? Relative error is the difference between the measured value of an observable and its true value and normalized to the true value, that is divided by the true value. So this is the formula of relative error. Then we will see example. In case of absolute error is the difference between measured value and actual value. Example, suppose a true weight is 100 pounds, but a scale says your weight as 105 pounds. Then what is the absolute error? Absolute error is measured 105 but true 100. Then their difference is 5 pounds. Then the measured weight is too high by 5 pounds. So this is the absolute error. Then another example, suppose government claims that a program cost goes to $99 billions and the true cost near about $100 billion. Then find the absolute error. So absolute error means, that is, claimed value is 99 but actual value is 100. Then their difference is minus 1 billion. So the claimed cost is too low by $1 billion. So positive absolute error will occur when the measured value is higher than the true value. Measured value is higher than true value, then positive absolute error. And negative will occur when measured value is lower, that is lower than the true value. So this is about the absolute error. Overall absolute error means difference between measured value and actual value or true value. And then what about the relative error? Relative error is equal to difference between measured value and actual value divided by actual value into 100%. For example, when true weight is 100 pounds but a scale says your weight as 105 pounds, then what is the relative error? Relative error is equal to measured value minus actual value divided by actual value into 100%. So relative error is equal to 105 minus 100 divided by 100 into 100%. So relative error by calculations goes to 5%. Since the measured value was higher than the true value, so the relative error is positive one. So the measured weight was too high by 5%. So this is about the relative error. So relative error is nothing but absolute error divided by true value into 100%. So this is about the absolute error and relative errors. So thank you all of you for listening this video.